We're back in Corozal again. It was a long, exhausting trip yesterday. Uh, Back at Al's Cafe, getting some delicious Belizean breakfast. And we went with one of the most Belizean things we can think of. This is what a lot of Belizeans like to eat in the morning. It's the popular stewed chicken with refried beans. And we're gonna cheat on the diet today. Some Belizean Fry Jack. It's pretty much deep fried flour, but it is really, really delicious. Over there we got the homemade pickled onions. See where Maria is loading up on it.
My mouth is watering.
Spicy but good. So let's just try this fried jack just like that there. Something you must try in Belize. It's always so delicious. Tons of carbs, but it's something you can only find in Belize, so it's something you gotta try when you're here. So this is what you do. You eat it. The fried jack, rip a piece off, you cover it with the beans.
Alright, well,
And that's
it's a
how
pleasure
Belizeans
meeting you
eat
guys. Yeah, sorry. enjoy your meal.
It was a pleasure meeting you. We found another YouTuber, also a fellow Canadian from Kelowna.
There we go.
What's your channel again? Sorry? It was,
Swiss Moose Adventures.
Swiss Moose Adventures.
Yeah.
I'll put it down the thing. But yeah, we'll definitely check it out.
Excellent, guys. Enjoy your breakfast. So nice meeting you guys.
It was nice meeting
Thank
you.
you so much, guys.
So that's how you eat it. And it's super good. I'm gonna have to do a whole lot of extra walking today after all this carbs, but it's good. And then you guys, you know how the stewed chicken is. I've showed you, I've eaten it before. Covered in red ricotta, cooked. But it's a Belizean favorite. It's part of their main dish. Rice and beans with stewed chicken. Alright, that was it for the meal. Really delicious. The total was $22.50 Belize. That is $11.25 US. For 2 plates of food. That's the stewed chicken with refried beans and fried jack, 1 big bottle of water, and 1 small one. Not bad. So you can say each plate with drink came up to 5 change US. That's still a good deal. Be sure to check out Miss Al. All info, like usual, is in the description, map link, etc. Thanks for watching, and let's see what other adventures we get up to in beautiful Belize.